boys and girls. Today for math, we are going to start with our decimal unit. We will be adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. Today we are just starting basic with adding and subtracting. If you have 2 53/100 plus 1 7/10, you do not write them like this. Do you notice that the decimals are not lined up? You can't add them like that. So to add or to subtract, the only thing that you have to worry about is lining the decimals up. If you have blank spaces underneath or above numbers, you just add zeros because we have learned that adding zeros to the end of any decimal doesn't change the value. And now I add like I would as if there were no decimal there at all. 3 plus 0 is 3, 5 plus 7 is 12, and I carry the 1 to the next column. I don't care that there's a decimal there. And then I add 2 plus 1 plus 1, which is 4. The decimal comes straight down right into the answer. That's it. It's that easy. To add and subtract decimals, you just have to line up the decimal. Let's practice subtracting decimals. To subtract with decimals, again, you just line the decimals up. Write my second decimal directly under the first one and place the numbers around it. What do you notice here? There is a blank space. I need to fill that in. Now we can subtract just like we would if there were no decimals at all. I must regroup. As you can see, I can still regroup across that decimal. And then my decimal comes straight down into my answer. All right, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and I will see you soon.